Greetings from Neodmas Education. Today we wish to talk about Cancer Cervix Eradication Day. This is a document about World Cancer Cervix Eradication Day, WCCED. Every year on 11th March, the WCCED is arranged by ABC Foundation since 2011. The ABC Foundation are observing World Cancer Cervix Eradication Day by Professor Niranjan Raut at Cuttack. According to a scientific study on cancer cervix, cancer cervix is the fourth most common cancer in women around the world. India accounts for approximately 25% of global prevalence. A study published in 2014 stated the crude incidence rate of cancer cervix is 20.2 per 1 lakh population in our country. In our state, Odisha, there has been a gross increase of incidence approximately by 4% between 2008 and 2011. Also, cancer cervix is the leading cause of cancer death in women in underdeveloped countries. Pap smear has been the gold standard screening test for cervical cancer since its introduction in 1949. It has helped reducing the cervical cancer mortality rates roughly to half. New technology like immunocytochemistry assay for the simultaneous qualitative detection of the P16 and Ki67 proteins in cervical cytology preparations is an adjunct to routine Pap screening for high-grade CIN with HPV infection. Besides, a potent vaccine against high-risk HPV, type 16, 18, are available which can prevent 70% of all cancer cervix. At present, cancer cervix is a disease of great public health importance. Spreading awareness is lacking in our population. The ABC Foundation of Cuttack, working in the field of public health since 2007, carried out a survey in 2011 in a group of population with educational qualification from matric to MA and observed that 87.5% members were not aware of the role of HPV in causation of cancer cervix. This provoked us to organize a program on cancer cervix eradication in 2011. The highlights of this program were the presence of Dr. P.C. Mohapatra, President of Federation of Obstetricians and Gynecologists Society of India, FOGSI, and Dr. N.C. Parija, President, Indian Association of Pathologists and Microbiologists, IAPM, and their deliberations and suggestions boosted us to continue our efforts. As a part of this program, the ABC Foundation are 1. Trying to coordinate the activities of similar workers and organizations and recognizing their work by honoring them in different fora. 2. Are trying to reorient medical personnel regarding diagnosis, management and prevention of cancer cervix through CME, symposia, seminar, lectures, workshops, etc. 3. Trying to create awareness among people regarding the signs and symptoms of cancer cervix and the role of Pap smear examination in early diagnosis of cancer cervix. 4. Trying to create awareness among people that HPV infection is the main culprit for development of cancer cervix and a potent vaccine is available to prevent HPV infection. 5. Trying to educate people to vaccinate their daughters against HPV infections and motivate mothers to do regular Pap test for early diagnosis and treatment of cancer cervix. The ABC Foundation is aware that people all over the world are organizing such programs in different ways in their own regions. The ABC Foundation have decided to observe a day as World Cancer Cervix Eradication Day, during which the ABC Foundation will try to coordinate the activities of similar workers and organizations with an aim to eradicate cancer cervix from our globe. The breakthrough discovery, HPV infection causes cancer cervix, for which the Nobel Prize for Physiology or Medicine was awarded in 2008 to Dr. Harald Jurhausen, and subsequent availability of vaccine against HPV infection has encouraged us to think in the direction of cancer cervix eradication. The ABC Foundation, therefore, thought that the birthday of Dr. Harald Jurhausen on 11th March would be the most appropriate day to observe World Cancer Cervix Eradication Day. On this day, the ABC Foundation will audit all our activities till date and will endeavor to coordinate activities of others in this field to create awareness for eradicating cancer cervix. Since 2011, The ABC Foundation are observing World Cancer Cervix Eradication Day at Cuttack. Cancer Cervix Eradication Message, Care. C for create awareness to prevent early marriage, multiparty, multiple sex partners and to maintain good genital hygiene. A for avoid infection through HPV vaccination. R for regular Pap test. E for early diagnosis and prompt treatment. Our slogan: regular Pap test for mother and HPV vaccination for daughter. Join hands with us to eradicate cervical cancer. ABC Foundation, Cuttack. If you want to watch more this type of video watching, please like and subscribe. Thank you.